It's the Lyft scooter day. You just rent these things, book them on Lyft for 15 cents a minute, and go. They're electric. However, I'm not going to video myself on it just yet because I think I'll crash and die. We'll see. Come on, scooter. They're so excellent, so dangerous. We're going to go down the canal. I've got the hang of it, but I'll still crash if I try and video and ride. I have to wait a few minutes. It's so stupid. Come on, faster, big bird.
Not my best.
Okay, very might die doing this. Oh, I'm a bit wibbly wobbly and she's not fast enough. I'll try and go a bit slower. So we've come all along the canal and now we're just going to ride back to the car in the car park, which is all the way in another state over there because we've ridden so far. And we just leave them parked where they get in the car and go, and then someone else hires them.